Welcome to Black Sheep.
Hello everyone, I'm Giavanna. I'm here at Black Sheep Knitting, and if you're like me, the holidays snuck up on me and I am not ready. So if you are looking for some last minute gifts for folks, we have got some things in mind. So stitch stoppers are always a good option. I have my party ponies here. I don't go without them because if this comes off the needle, I'm disappointed in myself.
Especially when you're walking.
Especially when you're walking and knitting, which I often do. This mud bag is really great because it has this little loop that can go right around your wrist. So while you are walking and knitting or just sitting and knitting, you can keep your yarn nice and tidy in your bag. So this is a really great gift option for someone. I think speaking of bags, we have plenty of beautiful kind of knitting or accessory bags in the shop. This one is a mica bag. We have a couple of different prints in the same one. It is a crossbody bag, so you can again wear it while walking, knitting, traveling, anything that you do on the move. Of course, we have all of our famous Radish Top Designs bag by Fiola. This one is a really, really cute set. So it has this little cute mini bag inside this bucket tote, which has a snap pocket on the outside. We have other types of bags. We have drawstring top bags. We have these in a few different colors in the shop. We have more of them mica bags that are zip top to keep things nice and safe and secure and sturdy. Another good gift for knitters would be like finishing accessories, I would say. So think about this absorbent towel. These towels will change your life. They're by Coco Knits. They're large towels that you put your blocked knits in after you wash them. You squeeze all the water out, step on it, jump on it, and this leaves your knit like pretty close to dry. So when you go to, it's drier than a regular towel, which is great. Robin's giving me a little side eye in the background. It's easier to handle, and then you just toss this over a drying rack and it's dry within a couple hours, which is great. You then have a sweater washing bag. This is good. It's like a lingerie bag that you can use to wash your knits or accessories in. This is a really good stocking stuffer for someone who likes to machine wash their knits, just to keep them really safe in the machine so they don't get to toss around everywhere. Another thing from Coco Knits is this magnetic chart keeper. So Coco Knits has this beautiful kit that has, magnets inside, so you can put your chart on here and like keep track of where you are in your pattern. This is a nice way to kind of take your knitting and charts on the go. All right, what else do we have on the table? So much stuff. Measuring tapes. Always a good idea because you come up to getting close to finishing your project, you need to measure it. Your measuring tape is never where you left it. Measuring tapes are always a good stocking stuffer or holiday gift for folks. Scissors. What are these scissors? If you're traveling, these good foldable scissors are great to take on a plane with you. They fold up nice and small and safe, and they are good for travel. Highlighter tape. Always good if you have someone who's doing charts or want to keep track of where they are in the pattern. Highlighter tape is fabulous. Barber cords, always wonderful. If you look at my knitting, I have my sleeves on barber cords. And you can even put your body on the sweater on barber cords if you want to try it on, or if you want to block it mid-knit. And this, Robin, is my Amaryllis by 100 Acre Wool. Isn't that great? It is all brioche. It's on a size 1 in US 2.5 in lace weight yarn. So Um, it is a commitment, but it is really, really fun. If you want to knit it, come to the shop. I'll help you find some yarn. More needle stoppers. Gauge checker, important because you're checking your gauge, right? Maybe. Hopefully, you're checking your gauge, you're checking it twice to make sure that your knits are gonna fit. We have more little accessory kits. These are great to put your stitch markers, stoppers, anything small in because it zips up nice and tidy, and it can go right on your bag or your keychain. Row keeper tracker thing. If you're someone who likes to keep track of the rows with a gadget, this is a great thing to use. And then a bigger gift item would be the shorty set. These are great for folks who like to do sleeves on smaller circumference needles versus magic loop or double pointed needles. We have the 9 through 11 set, so for bigger knits, and then we have the 0 to 3 for smaller knits. So be perfect for this sweater. If all else fails, cashmere is a great thing to just pop in someone's gift bag. We have plenty of cashmere in beautiful colors, so another good option. You can make scarves, hats, mittens. You can make a sweater if you want to out of this cashmere. And then finally, a really fun gift option would be Labubu accessories. I made my little Labubu here a sweater. I have a second Labubu who's going to get a hat. So we will put some pattern ideas for hats, scarves, overalls, dresses for your little Labubu if you have someone in your family who has these little monsters in their collection. Okay, those are all the things that we have for gifts and gift ideas. Just a little bit of a preview of what's coming up. We are working on some new workshops. So Catherine and I are going to be announcing some new workshops coming in January. So keep your eyes out. We're going to be focusing on techniques like magic loop, Kitchener stitch, sewing things together, jogless stripes, and then incorporating those techniques into projects. So we're really focusing on making sure that we have technique classes to get you ready for those bigger workshop classes, and then workshop classes at every single level. So keep an eye out. Drop a comment below if there are workshops that you want to see us do in the future, and then stay tuned. Robin, anything else I should say before we go today?
Just show me your sweater.
Oh, this sweater. This is my Holidays sweater by Kate Oates. This is knit out of Barocco Ultra Wool and then Sunday yarn by Sandiscarn. We have beads, we have bows, we have roving in here to make the fluff. We got tinsel. This is a really fun create your own holiday sweater. So there's different motifs, different charts you can choose from. It tells you how to kind of place the charts in the sweater to make sure that you have the best fitting and best you holiday sweater ever. So
If you start now, you'll be done for next year.
if you start now, you could be done by Christmas if you knit really fast, but you could be done by next year and have your own holiday sweater.
And if you still want to knit a hat,
Yeah, if you want to knit a hat, there's time. Scarf, there's time. We have plenty of bulky weight yarn in the shop. There is a beautiful baby llama yarn that Robin will put in the email or in our thread so you can see. But plenty of time to knit some last minute accessories for anyone in your family or friends.
so thank you. Happy holidays.
Thank you. Happy holidays, and we'll see you in the new year. Bye.